Hello everyone. Today we will be looking at Suno, which is an AI music generator. Um, you to start off, you will need to create an account with Suno, which is completely free. And then when you log in, you will be greeted with this home screen where you can browse some songs that other users have created. But to get started, you will go to the Create tab, and then you will be prompted to enter a prompt to create a song. So let's say, as an example, we want a song that's a jazz song about sharks. Just a random thing, see what it creates. And it takes just a few seconds to start creating your song. Now that the song is created, it created two versions of it, but you can just click into it and then it'll start playing.
Oh, there's a shark in the shadow, slides a skin, gliding through the waters like a silver dream.
There's just an example of what you can do with it. You can also create instrumental music. So if you want background music for a video that doesn't have words, it can also do that. Like I said earlier, it is free and you get 10 songs a day, but there's also paid versions with monthly subscriptions where you can get up to 5,000 or even 2,000 songs a day. Yeah, that's about it for Suno. It's pretty simple. You can just create music based on prompts that you put in. Thank you.